to fix WeChat not working on your device. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your WeChat not working. So if WeChat is not working properly, whether you are having trouble sending messages, logging in or experiencing crashes, there are several common solutions to fix the issue. So this is a full guide to troubleshoot and fix common WeChat problem. Whether you are using your Android device, iOS or your PC, you have to follow this simple step. First step, first step is that you have to check your internet connection. So the WeChat relies on a stable internet connection to send and receive messages, make voice or video calls and load content. So make sure your Wi-Fi connection is working by opening other apps or website. So just open other apps and check your internet connection is your data foundation working properly or not. So here you can see that. For mobile data, you have to active a data connection here. And then if you don't have a data, you can try switching between your Wi-Fi. So you have to try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is specific to your network. Also, sometimes simply restarting the WeChat app can solve minor glitches or performance issues. You have to open the WeChat app here. Once you have opened the WeChat app, you have to completely close that app from your recent tab. Here's a way to close it. Also, you can update your WeChat app. Outdated version of WeChat might have bugs or incompatibilities with your device. Make sure you have the latest version of the app. For Android device, you have to open up your Google Play Store and search for the WeChat here. Once you have searched for the WeChat here, you have to just go and tap on the update option to install or update your WeChat app. After following all these steps, you have to clear the app cache and data. You have to navigate to your device setting here. So the if WeChat app is slow, glitching or not loading content, clearing the app cache or data can often resolve the issue. Just go on your device settings, scroll down and find your app or manage app here. And once you are here, you have to search for the WeChat. Once you have the WeChat, you have to tap on the clear data and go for the clear cache. So if the clearing cache doesn't work, clearing the app data will reset it completely. You will need to log in back. So tap on the clear all data and go for the OK. If the app still is not loading, after clearing the cache, updating or checking your internet connection, you might reinstalling the app, which is the better solution. You have to uninstall this app and reinstall it from your Google Play Store. So this is the simple step how you can completely fix your WeChat not working on your device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.